Hey, what's up, guys? And here we have my YouTube short. In here, I have a this video have a 3K and 198 so, views and 30 likes. I uploaded on April 1, which is April, the day of Fools or joke. And let's answer those people who thinks it's a something what do you call this, something wrong on my video or something is bad or make no sense. All right, you know what I mean. Sorry on my English. I'm a grammar English speaker. So for in the first comment, name is Jonas Sanchez 8704. Oh my god. Alright. Muds, bro. That ain't even scary, like, bro, even if you make it too scary by saying I'm not alone with red text doesn't mean it's scary, bro. You should actually think about it before you do it. What do you mean about scary? Yes, it's not scary at all, but for you it's not scary. But for me, it's scary because you know that I'm easily to get scared even in old horror games, let's say Granny or Mr. Meat. I I don't like horror games, especially I'm that time playing that Minecraft with horror mad. I'm I'm actually scared that time. But for you, it's not scary. So tell that to them and think about it before you do it. Maybe you are wrong. Think before you comment on my video. All right? Yes, I see your channel and your listening kids sleep song. Oh my god, you're just a kid watching on my kid video. So get out in here, bro. So this one name is Honey Pau Panwar negative HD1KWL. All right, I don't. He said, she said, or he said, power of friend, bruh. That time I I don't have that. I don't have friend that time when I'm record this short video, and I'm playing in offline mode that time, so no one is with me. You can literally say that this is not like that. That's not a player. You can see the blink on that mod, bro. It's not a real player, bro. It's not a player. For a second, I thought it was real. It's a texture pack on a skeleton. No, it's not a skeleton texture packs. It's actually a mod. It's called the Dweller mod. Right now, you see the black guy. Its name it the name of that is the Knocker from Minecraft Java. You can actually type search that on YouTube. Type Knocker on Minecraft. I don't know. I noticed at the top the menu I see a eye. It's actually the new update or the new pictures of Minecraft Bedrock for mobile only. Bruh, it's just a mad, said by Flammable Negative Y7R. Yes, it's of course it's a freaking mad, bro. You can literally see, bro. So that's creepy. Thank you, bro. Nah, dude. Mad. Minecraft, that is a mad. Of course is it, bro. Dude, you're using mods. Of course, yes, I'm using. Before you talk, guys, you can check my description so you know what is it, or is it make fake, or like, you know, dweller mod. You can search this on YouTube. Just type um the dweller mod Minecraft. See that? This is made by Bedrock Edition. Bedrock. That's
Oh.
a real person or whatever is it. But I just want to say that for this man, Jonah Sanchez, bro, I just want to say that get out of my bid or my channel, bro. Think before you comment. Alright.